it's Emily from Cedar-Paranormal. What you're about to see is a video and an audio recording from when Dan and Alex went to scout our possible future location of the Kelmarsh railway tunnels. They were only about a minute and a half into the tunnels, and there is a strange noise/voice. We can't tell what it is. Maybe you can. Let us know what you think.
Here we are, inside Kelmarsh Tunnel, the old railway line. And I have to tell you, it feels spooky.
Wow.
So there's the entrance. There's the end all the way down there.
It just seems to go on forever, doesn't it?
Mm-hmm. I did see a white flash down there. That was outside, I think. So if any spirits are in these tunnels, Daniel has a recorder. If you want to speak into that, or speak into this camera, big microphone here, so you can we can hear you. So I don't know where this line is.
No, we're recording. Here we go.
Inside Kelmarsh Tunnel. Your railway line. And I have to tell you, it feels spooky.
That's, wow.
There's the end all the way down there.
That just seems to go on forever, doesn't it?
I did see a white flash down there. That was outside, I think. So if any spirits are in these tunnels, Daniel has a recorder. If you want to speak into that, or speak into this camera, big microphone here, so you can we can hear you.